Okay guys, unboxing natin kung ano to for today's video. Nakaka-receive na naman tayo dito sa gate ng isang box. Ngayon, mag-unbox tayo nito. Kung ano to. Let's do it. Haba na yung video ko. Let's do it. Wow! Another cat food. Wow! This is a surprise for my mga babies. Ala! Exciting. Ang aking mga babies. Exciting sila nito kung ano to. Let's see guys. Wow! Another cat food from Funbay! Yay! 10 pieces yan guys. Mayroon naman tayong nare-receive. Oh my god. And they're very happy now. Because a lot of cat food na naman sila. Cat food. So, check out nila guys. Because until now, very affordable pa rin ang price nito. Kaya, wala na akong katapusan talaga pag bibili nito. Grabe. Okay lang, ayos lang. Happy naman ako. At happy din sila.